This is how to set your mobile data settings to get started. Follow these steps if you are having this problem. You turn on your data but it doesn't show as turned on, and you also can't use it to access the internet. These steps should fix everything. But wait, make sure you have an internet bundle on your SIM card first. Also take note, on Vodafone SIM cards, the data icon will not turn on even after doing these steps if you don't have an active internet bundle. So first, make sure you have an internet bundle, and after that, let's continue from here. These steps apply to all other phones. Just take note of the keywords. Guys, that's all for today. Please kindly follow us on all social media platforms under the handle sytacleofficial. My name is Ahmed and I'm tapping out. Bye.